Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on CoinStats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinStats website, from which you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged in already. After clicking on it, you will be asked to enter your credentials. So enter your email address and your password and continue forth signing in. Once you are signed in, you will end up within this homepage. Now from this page, in order to enable two-factor authentication to secure your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on your username. Now from this page, you will find various different options, including the option to enable two-factor authentication. This option will be right underneath change password. So click on the enable button alongside two-factor authentication, and now you will need to follow the 3 steps in order to enable two-factor authentication. First, download the Google Authenticator app from your Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Now once you download the application, open up the app and then scan the QR code that you receive on the screen. Once you scan the QR code, you will be logged into your account on your smartphone as well, and this will also set up your two-factor authentication. On the 3rd step, you will need to enter this key in order to recover your CoinStats account with the Google Authenticator just in case. In order to enable it, simply enter your current account password and then type in the verification code that you receive within the Google Authenticator app. After entering the verification code, simply click on the Enable button and now your account will be secured with two-factor authentication. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up to set up two-factor authentication on your CoinStats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.